I'm Paul King. I am going to be unboxing this Atomi E30 and hopefully powering it up. We will see. It's going to be a rather slow unboxing, so I'm probably going to speed it up. Atomi E30 weighs 16.8 kilograms, has a 500 watt motor. It says it will go 25 kilometers per hour, which I believe is about 15 to 18 miles per hour, but I'm not able to do math right now due to medication. Should not be handling this due to medication, or should I? It's very easy open. I did it wrong. One power strip. Cardboard backer. Black things. Book with the kickstand. And now I'm going to try my hand at assembling this. The top is disconnected. First thing I'm going to have to do, probably put on the kickstand. Let's try to put this top on. The bike that keeps falling is not going to work too well. There are 6 screws in here. I'll pull them all out and choose the 2 that are a different size. There are already different size ones. That one's longer, that one's longer. Shorter. Okay, I'm gonna take the 2 longer screws. Let's use those 2 screws. And let's see. I'm cheating this time and breaking out power tools. Figure out what fits on that. Yeah, there it is. After we assemble a few of these, you end up always keeping your drill around. Suppose that's the only way it can go. But I've assembled enough of these incorrectly to know that's never given. All right. Now stand up. I will take off this. Lock it into place. Pull that off. Take these two. It actually gave me the name of what these are, and I've forgotten it. Find very tiny indent somewhere. I think it's there. They're plugged in. Let's see if it powers on. It does power on, which means we've got a good connection to the battery. Claims that it's at 100%. Generally charge these before I test because at 100% is never 100%. I just shove that in. All right, now we have 4 screws to screw in. Or do we have 2? 2 there, 2 there. Going for the hook. Odd. Oh, the hook's already screwed in. No, the hook up here. Oh yes, never mind. All right, I'm having a case of the dumbs tonight. So we're gonna take the hook and we're gonna screw it, attach it and screw it here. Why do you want to bet those were the longer screws? But I'll figure that out in a minute. Screw one in. Right, what we are not using today, because I had the screwdriver. It's taken significantly longer if you use a torque wrench, but it works. Comes with this. It's a tire. It's for the recessed tube on one of the tires. Didn't use this. We'll be using that in a bit. But basically, this is installed, and I'll take it for a ride in a bit. Also not shown was the Atomi user manual. Now you are going to want to keep this box and all the padding because you will have, I'm going to guess, a 1 in 20 chance that battery is going to fill within warranty. It's not Atomi's issue, it is the battery manufacturer's, but it becomes an issue if you have the box. If you don't have the box, and you're going to have to spend some money getting the box. All right, let's see. These squeezy brakes. Seems to be a rear squeezy brake. I did not lock it in place. What is it on? Why is it not locking? Huh. All right, screwer's not quite ready. All right, what's going on here? Any stuff in there? Nope. I was just not squishing it enough. You also have these 2 packets of silicone gel. Toss them in there. Pack up the box and all the stuff. Keep it for your warranty. I've broken 2 scooters under 50 miles before. Keep your box for warranty. You will probably not have to keep this handy, but if you've got a pump, place it near your pump. You'll need it for, I believe, the front tire. So that will be recessed a bit. Anyway, that was 12 minutes of assembly and commentary.